Hello, Chef here. Once again, I wanted to share some tips with you. This is the Porsche Turbo designed by F.A. Porsche, Chroma Type 301. Super sweet knife. Yeah, look at that edge. Now to retain that wicked sweet sharp edge, I'm only going to use 2 or 3 things. Japanese whetstone, super fine, made in Japan. Guide clip goes on the back of the knife without scratching, as well as leather strop. You can score one of these or you can make your own, doesn't matter to me. You take your knife, once it's sharp, and you just stroke it on the strop a few times like this, both sides. And now that baby's sharp and ready to go. That's it. That's all you need. To put the clip on, goes right over the knife like this. Like I said, it does not scratch. You get it to the optimum point, which is about the center of your knife. And then when you put it on the stone, the knife hits only the bottom edge, and you repeat with the other side. Even strokes, okay? You're all done. Clip comes off. Once again, leather strop. Okay. Now you're wondering, how sharp is that? I'm gonna show you. Got a pile of coupons here. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 coupons. 10 pieces of paper. So you're wondering, how sharp is that turbo knife? There you go. That's the answer right there. 10 sheets of paper. Let's see if your knife can do this. And if it can't, maybe you want to upgrade and get yourself one of these Porsche Turbos. Great sound. Listen to that. Yeah, I really like the knife. So does she. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor right there, and you can score all the good stuff, all the tools that you need to be successful in the kitchen. Have a great day. Here once again trying out the turbo knife. So today we got turbo versus zucchini. Very simple. Remove the top, remove the bottom, save those. We're going to cut this baby into some nice uniform slices. I want to show you just how nice this knife is. So here you go. Very, very simple to get perfect cuts. Nice and thin, nice and sharp. Yeah, those are looking good. So to go a little bit faster, like a turbo, here we go. Yeah, that's a pretty nice cut there. And we'll go just a little bit faster here too. A little practice. Okay, it's gonna be really nice for stir fry. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.